Gentlemen, let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever taken tadalafil and thought, wow, that worked amazingly, only for the very next time to think, why did nothing happen? Or maybe you tried it once or twice, felt underwhelmed, and quietly decided, this stuff just doesn't work for me. If that sounds familiar, I want you to take a breath because this is important. For most men, the problem is not the medication. The problem is how it's being used. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, and for the past 5 years, I've worked closely with men navigating performance changes, confidence dips, and the emotional weight that can come with them. And one thing has become very clear to me. Tadalafil is one of the most misunderstood tools in men's health. When used the wrong way, it leads to frustration. When used the right way, it can restore calm confidence, reliability, and freedom. Today, I'm going to show you why tadalafil doesn't behave like a switch, the 2 smart strategies men use successfully, the 3 silent mistakes that sabotage results, and how to approach this medication in a way that supports both your body and your dignity. Before we go further, tap like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? I love seeing how global this community is. Here's the biggest myth that sets men up for disappointment. You take tadalafil, and it just happens. That expectation alone causes more failure than the medication ever could. Tadalafil is not a sprinter. It's an endurance runner. Unlike short-acting medications that come and go quickly, tadalafil stays active in the body for a long window of time. That's what makes it unique, and that's also why strategy matters more than speed. Biologically, tadalafil works by supporting blood vessel relaxation, improving circulation to responsive tissues, making it easier for your body to respond to arousal. But here's the key word, arousal. It does not create desire on its own, it does not override stress or anxiety, and it does not work instantly after swallowing. Emotionally, many men don't realize this and place enormous pressure on themselves. Did I take it too late? Why isn't it happening yet? What if it fails again? That stress activates the very system that blocks blood flow. So the truth is this. Tadalafil works best when it's treated as a plan, not a panic button. In my clinical work, I've met men from every background, professionals, tradesmen, retirees, new partners, long-term husbands. The men who succeed with tadalafil are not necessarily the youngest, the healthiest, or the ones taking the most. They are the ones who understand how it fits into their life. They respect timing, consistency, their own nervous system. And that's why I teach 2 distinct, effective approaches, not one. But before we get there, we need to clear away the mistakes that quietly ruin results. Mistake number 3, the last-minute rush. This is the most common mistake I see. The moment feels right. You take the pill. You expect immediate results. Biologically, that's simply not how the body works. After ingestion, the medication must be absorbed through digestion, enter the bloodstream, reach the vascular system. That takes time, and rushing it creates pressure. Emotionally, this creates a ticking clock in your mind. Is it working yet? Why isn't it happening? That pressure tightens blood vessels. Practical shift. Tadalafil rewards patience. Men who give their body time consistently report far better results. Mistake. Number 2, the one-and-done judgment. Many men decide after 1 or 2 attempts that tadalafil doesn't work. But here's what's happening emotionally. The first few times are loaded with expectation and fear. That anxiety releases adrenaline, the opposite of what you want for circulation. Biologically, the medication may be present, but your nervous system is blocking the response. Practical truth. Your body and mind often need several low-pressure experiences to learn that this is safe, this works, I don't need to worry. Confidence is learned, not forced. Mistake number 1, sacrificing quality for price. I understand wanting affordability, but unreliable sources can lead to inconsistent absorption, unpredictable effects, and emotional mistrust in the tool itself. Emotionally, that inconsistency erodes confidence. Practically, using medication from a trusted medical source matters not for hype, but for reliability. There is no single right way. There is only the right way for you. Strategy number 2, the always ready daily rhythm. This approach is for men who value spontaneity and calm confidence. How it works, conceptually. A small, consistent daily routine, steady support in the bloodstream, no rushing, no planning pressure. Biologically, the body adapts to a stable environment. Blood vessels respond more naturally. Emotionally, you stop thinking of yourself as needing help. You simply feel capable again. Practically, this approach requires consistency and patience during the adjustment period. Many men also notice improvements in urinary comfort, an added benefit for quality of life. Strategy number 1, the on-demand power approach. This approach works best for men who prefer planning, have less frequent intimacy, want a defined window of readiness. Biologically, a single-use approach supports circulation when timed appropriately. Emotionally, some men feel reassured, knowing they've intentionally prepared. Practically, this method requires communication and patience and awareness that the effects last well beyond one evening. Instead of asking, "How do I make it stronger?" ask, "How do I make it work with my body?" Key principles: respect timing, reduce pressure, choose consistency or planning, not both at once. Work with your doctor to find what suits your health and lifestyle. This isn't about forcing performance. It's about removing obstacles so your body can respond naturally. I want to say this clearly. Needing support does not mean you're less of a man. It means you care about connection, confidence, presence. TADALAFIL is not a crutch. It's a tool, and tools only work well when used correctly. I've watched men reclaim not just physical function, but emotional ease, relationship confidence, a sense of freedom they thought was gone. Gentlemen, extraordinary confidence doesn't come from stronger pills. It comes from understanding your body and working with it instead of against it. Choose the strategy that fits your life. Avoid the common traps. Give yourself patience and grace. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may need clarity instead of confusion. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, and my goal is simple: to help men age with confidence, dignity, and calm strength. Because small changes used the right way can bring extraordinary results.